Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. This is a quick video to thank everyone for the support for this channel. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and here's a fun fact. 1,000 is just one more than 999. This is unexpected, and I'm truly surprised how long this took. So if you are watching this and are not a subscriber, why? Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Haha, just kidding. You guys are awesome. But you still should subscribe, as that is how I derive 12% of my self-worth. In anticipation of reaching 1,000 subscribers, I conducted a poll recently to see what content you guys like from this channel. Thank you to everyone who participated. Originally, I was going to rename the channel to Jungle Knife Guy, but I guess that idea is now out of the window. I will continue to focus on producing a variety of content to include urban EDC knives, gear, and jungle knives and gear. Since there seems to be specific interest in urban EDC gear, I'll also add more content for that. I'm happy to say that a couple of companies and brands have contacted me, and I'll be reviewing and testing their products in the upcoming weeks. These cover both urban EDC gear and outdoor gear. And I'm also involved in a new product that is launching soon. So lots of exciting stuff is happening behind the scenes. That's it for now. Thanks once again for subscribing, and thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.